Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I am at Michael's, and you guys, it's grab box day. Let me go ahead and show you grab box day. So I loaded up my cart. I picked up a couple for a family member, and they don't have much, you guys. I'm going to take you over here and show you. This is all they have. So it's pretty sparse, but I want to say hi, Sharon. I saw my friend Sharon here, and then I also came with one of my best friends, and then I met a new friend here today. So yeah, they don't have much, you guys, for grab boxes. The 4th of July stuff, here's my grab boxes. The 4th of July stuff is still out for sale, like regular 70% off though this time, which is nice. 70% off. So I just want to show you that. So yeah, and then they have these really cute back to school little chalkboards, you guys. I just want to show you these. These are like new, last day of school, cute little 4th of July stuff. So yeah, like I said, oh, they have a cute little Halloween pencil trees, $99. I hope you can see that in the video. So like I said, again, there's not much Michael's grab boxes. They're $5, and they're right here. Let me show you right here. $5. So anyways, I'm gonna go and head out to the checkout, but like I wanted to show you because oops, this cart is heavy. So yeah, so it's I'm gonna head to the front, and I'm with my friend. We met up here, and look at this. I have a lot in my, this is a heavy cart with all this stuff, but it's like summer stuff, you guys. See, because you can see in the they didn't tape it shut, so you can see what's in there from the top, but I didn't go through it all because I want to be surprised with you guys, you know. So but yeah, they didn't tape, and I was being respectful too, you know. I don't want to open these and make a mess, you know, so I didn't do that. So I just was able to look from the top. So yeah, so I'm heading to the register now. But again, like what I showed you the other day, the farmer's market stuff, the sunflower stuff is still there. Nothing's moved to the grab boxes there. And we've got behind me again the fall foliage. Still here, beautiful, right? And oh, guys, I just got this. When in doubt, vacation. So I got that at Goodwill yesterday. Isn't that so cute? When in doubt, vacation. I totally need this shirt right now. So yeah, I just dream of my next vacation, right? So, but anyway, I guess you know why I'm here. I'll show you a couple more things. And let's see. Like I said, everything is set like the 70% off. I think this, there's my cart. It's like, don't go anywhere, cart. Stay there. I use the Target cart too to get anything. Also, let me show you the 70% off is still happening again on the like cute little hotel stuff right here. Just really cute stuff, guys. So, you know, so I hope you guys can get a grab box if that's what you're looking for as well. Check your local Michael's, call ahead of time. I would, to see if they have them, because I'm not sure if every Michael's does. I'm not sure if every Michael's does it at the same time. But I just wanted to let you know. I think they do at the same time, but I'm not sure. That I'm not sure. So it'll be fun to see other people's Michael's unboxing, to see what they get on YouTube. I love watching Michael's grab bag unboxing. So yeah, actually these are grab boxes, but some stores do grab bags too. Some stores, we've been just doing grab boxes at our store. Sorry, it's so hard to talk with this thing. This I got at Target, guys. This is my new mask from Target. So like I said, yeah. So I'm excited. It's summer stuff, like I said, in my boxes, and I'm excited to actually go and unbox that with you guys, and I will do that later today. I promise. I might do 2 videos. Or just one, I'm not sure, because I'm only going to buy 3 boxes for myself. So, like I said, so I will definitely be back later this evening, and I will show you. Let me go ahead and pan back around so you can see my beautiful boxes. So, yeah, I will be back later, tonight sometime, you know, to do the unboxing with you guys. But I'm very grateful, because it's like always such a good deal, and it's like the most exciting time of the year when they do these Michael's grab boxes. It's just like one of those highlights for me. So, all right, guys, so I'm gonna head up to the register and check out and get home. But yeah, I'll go get my soda at McDonald's and celebrate that I got my Michael's grab boxes. I'm so excited. Again, I hope you guys can find them if you're looking for them at your store. And I will talk to you guys. I'll see you guys all tonight with my unboxing video. All right, guys, take care. Okay, I'll talk to you soon. Bye, guys.